Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 11 mensuration. In this chapter we find perimeter and area of different plane figure. So some different plane figure is here. We can see this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height, and the perimeter of triangle is a plus b plus c, means sum of all side. This is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here this is a length, this is a breadth. This is a breadth and this is a length. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Here you can see A is length and B is breadth. Generally we mention L for length, B for breadth. Okay, and this is a square. This is a plane figure. In square all sides are equal. Okay, so area of square is A square, means square of side. You can say side into side. Perimeter of square is 4 into length of side. Here side, length of side is A, so perimeters becomes 4A. Now this is a parallelogram. In parallelograms opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, so area of parallelogram is base into height. This is a base B and this is a height H. Okay, and area of parallelogram is base into height. Perimeter of parallelogram is 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is A and breadth is B. Breadth is B. This is a circle. Okay, this is a circle and area of circle is pi r square, where r is radius of the circles and value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, this is the area of circle pi r square, and this is area of circumference or perimeter, you can say 2 pi r. Okay, where r is equal to 22 by 7 and r is radius of the circles and the value of pi is 22 by 7. So student, I hope all have understood. Let's see. Now question number 3 is here. This is question number 3. The shape of garden is rectangular in the middle and a semicircle in the ends shown in the diagrams. Find the area and the perimeter of these diagrams. Okay, so here you can see the length of garden is given. This part is rectangular part. Okay, this part is rectangular part and this part is a semicircle. This is a semicircle part. Okay, so you find the perimeter of the garden and area of garden. Okay, you can see here, this is the length of garden 13 meter. Okay, and breadth of garden is given here 7 meter. This is the breadth of garden. Okay, so area of garden is equal to 13 into 7 meter. square. This is equal to 91 meter square. Okay, and area of two semicircular region. So you know this is a semicircular region. Area of semicircular region is pi r square, because this is a semi. So if we plus two semicircular region, we obtain one circular region. Okay, so area of circle is pi r square. Here pi, value of pi is 22/7, and value of r is 7/2. So let's see how to solve it. So you can see here, this is a rectangular garden. Area of rectangular garden is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so length of rectangular garden is equal to 13 meter and breadth is equal to 7 meter. Now here, given the diameter of circular region, here given radius of circular region is equal to 7/2. So area of circular region is equal to 1/2 into pi r square. Okay, so 1/2 into 2 pi r square, so here you can see 2 to cancel. The value of pi is 22/7 and the value of r is 7/2 into here you can see the area of rectangular circular region is 38.5 meter square. Okay, and area of triangular garden is 91 meter square. So what is the area of garden? So for this we plus area of circular region and area of garden is equal to area of rectangular region plus area of circular region. Okay, so area of rectangular region is of garden is given 91 meter square plus area of circular region of garden is 38.5 meter square. Okay, so sum it and you find the area of garden. So it's become, what is the area of garden? 129.5 5 meter square. This is the area of garden. Okay. Now we find the perimeter of garden. So what is the perimeter of garden? First, this is 13 plus 13 plus 2 pi r plus pi r. Now perimeter of garden is equal to perimeter of two circular region is 2 pi r plus this is 13, this is 13 plus 13. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2. This is radius as 7 by 2. So 2 cancel, 7 also cancel. Plus here 13 plus 13 is 26. So we obtain 22 plus 26. This is equal to what? Tell me. This is equal to 48 meter. Okay, in this way we find the perimeter of the given figure is 48 meters. This is a question number 4. A flooring tiles has the shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. This is given. Base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? Okay, if required, you can slip the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corner. Okay, so first you can see the shape of tiles is parallelogram. Okay, area of room is given 1080 meter square. So we find area of parallelograms. So what is the formula of area of parallelograms? Base into height. Base is given here 24 and the corresponding height is 10 centimeters. So area becomes of this parallelograms tile parallelograms is 240 centimeters. Okay, so we find the number of tiles required for the floor. Clear? So we divide the area of room by area of one tiles, and now area of flooring tiles. Area of tile is equal to the tiles in shape of parallelograms. So base into corresponding height. Base is given 24 centimeter. Height is given 10 centimeter. This is equal to 240 centimeter square. Area of the floor is given. Area of the floor is given is equal to 1080 meter square. Now find the number of tiles. Number of tiles required to cover the floor is equal to area of floor by area of one tiles. Area of floor divided by area of one tile. Okay. So here given the area of one tiles we find 240 centimeter squares, and this is given area of floor 1000. This is a 1080 meter square. Clear? So we can write here. Student, one question arises here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. This is clear? 10. Okay, so we can write here. This is equal to 12340 centimeter square. Okay. Clear? So here given area of floor is 1080. Sorry. Here 1080123 centimeter square. Okay, this becomes area. Clear? So okay, so area of floor is in centimeter and divide by okay, this is centimeter square. Centimeter square is cancelled, 10 also cancelled, and this is equal to what? Divide it. This is equal to 451230. This is number of tiles. Okay. Hence the required number of tiles is 4500. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question. In this question, first we find area of one tiles. The area of one tiles is here. You can see this is 240 centimeter square, and area of room is given here 1080 meter square. Here you can see the centimeter square, but here meter square, so we convert meter square in centimeter square. We know that 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So it becomes here. This is area of room. If you divide area of room by one tiles, you find the number of tiles required for cover the room floor of the room. So in this way we find the number of tiles required to cover up the floor of the room is 4500. Okay, let's see question number 5. What is the question number 5? Students, this is a question number 5. Okay. An ant is moving around a few foot piece of different shape is scattered on the floor. Okay. Which foot piece would the ant have to take longer round? Remember, the circumference of circles can be obtained by using the expressions c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Okay, so let's see how to solve such question. Here you can see this is a shape of semicircle. Okay, this is a shape of semicircle, and this is a 2.8. This is given. Diameter is given is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 2.8 by 2 centimeter. This is equal to 1.4 centimeters. So how much distance covered by ant? Okay, we find the distance covered by ant. For this, we find the perimeter of figure. Distance covered by ant. Okay, so we write here distance covered by ant is equal to pi r. Okay, this is a shape of semicircle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, but here semicircle, so we write here pi r. Clear? So value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 into this is a radius, this is called r. Okay, this is r. R is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So you write here 1.4 centimeter. So you can cancel and we have done here 2, 0.2, 22 into 'So it's become 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so distance covered by ant or this figure is 4.4 centimeter square. Let's see next question. Next figure is like this. This is next figure, and this line. Okay, and here given 1.5. This is a 1.5 centimeter, and this is a 2.8 centimeter. Clear? So we find the perimeter of this figure. What is the perimeter of this figure? You can see 1.5, and this is a 28. And what is this? 2 pi r. pi r, because this is a semicircle, shape of semicircles. So here this is diameter is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius is equal to 2.8 by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeter. This is clear. This is the point. Clear? Okay. So we find the perimeter or distance covered by the okay. So right here total distance covered by ant is equal to, this is a 2.8 centimeter, this is a 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is equal to, and this is a pi r. Okay. So area of semicircle, perimeter or circumference, semicircle is equal to pi r. Here 2 by 7 into r is 0.4. This is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Clear? So we find here the total distance covered by ant is 1.5 centimeter plus 2.8 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter and plus this is a 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. Clear? So okay, in this figure distance covered by, total distance covered by ant is 1.5, 2.8 and 4.4. So what is the distance covered by ant is clear. 1.5, 0.4, 0.5, 9, 0.8, 17 and 0.5 is 22, carry 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5 and 4, 10. This is the total distance covered by ant. Okay. So you can see this figure, this is a semicircle. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r, but here this is semicircle. So we find this is the perimeter of this shape is pi r. Pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, you write here, and r is 1.4. So you write here 1.4, and we calculate this. We obtain circumference of semicircular region. Semicircle is 4.4, and in this way we plus it this and this and this, we obtain 10.2 centimeters. Okay, let's see next part of the question, part C. This is a part B. This is a part B. and this is figure. This is given 2.8 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeters. Okay, you can see this figure. This is a diameter of this semicircular part. Okay, and this is the 2 centimeter, and this is also 2 centimeter. So distance covered by, total distance covered by ant is 2 plus 2 plus, you find also this part 4.4. okay, so in this way you can say the total distance covered by ant is 12.2. Let's see how to solve it. The total distance in this figure, the total distance covered by ant is 8, 2 to 4 and 4, 8.4 centimeters. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So distance of this part is, this is diameter, meter is given 2.8 centimeter, so radius is equal to 2.8 by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Clear? Clear? Now, so circumference of semicircle, circumference of semicircle is equal to pi r. Okay, so pi is 22 by 7 into r is 1.4 centimeter. This is equal to 4.4 centimeter. We find already. Okay, now the total distance covered by the ant is, the total distance covered by ant is equal to 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, plus 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is a 4.4 centimeter. Clear? This is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Okay, so student, I hope all of you know how to find the distance covered and the perimeters and area of the any plane figures. Okay, so in this way we complete exercise 11.1, and tomorrow we will discuss about the